What's going on, family? We are at the headquarters. Wanted to show you the entry. This is a 45 footer, but we finished the inside. You see, we finished the floors, the walls. Turned this side into the office. Modernize it a little bit. And this is the office part of the container. Now, back here, once you open this up, this area over here is not finished. It's still raw. So this is the shop part where we put different stuff on this end, but we're going to finish this whole end because we're going to cut it in half to be able to move this for advance and then come back and hook it back up. But I wanted to show you what you could actually do. And as you see, the back part of this is not finished out. We just got the sheetrock up. But we finished the inside. So that way you can have an idea. And a basic unit like this to get done run you about $9 grand. So you're saying about 9 to 10,000. 10,000 to be the minimum for a good layout. And this is a 40 footer. So if you want something like this,